High precision, high quality, high efficiency. Founded in 1976, JINN Industrial Joint Stock Company. It is a company with 40 years of profound heritage. Precision Tool Factory. Professional design and manufacturing of automatic lathes. CNC automatic lathe. CNC turning and milling compound machining machine, and all kinds of special machinery and machining production lines, etc. Hello, Chairperson of Taiwan JINN Company. Since its establishment in 1976, we always stand by. Precision tool area, machinery manufacturing field. Keep exploring. Continuous innovation. We have weathered storms. I have also met countless challenges, but it is this perseverance and perseverance. Let JINN come to this day. The factory in